Hey there, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to Long Mind channel. If you're here for the first time, I'm Ms. Devi Sundar, a licensed psychotherapist and a respiratory physiotherapist. I'm the founder of Teletherapies and Breathe Thrive. Today, I'm going to give you a recipe for fulfilling life. Before I could delve into that recipe, few questions for you to reflect on. What do you currently consider the key ingredients for a fulfilling life? On a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with your current life balance? 1 being not satisfied at all, and 10 being extremely satisfied. What role do relationships, health, well being, purpose, and financial stability play in your life satisfaction? How do you currently approach challenges and setbacks in your life? Do you believe there is a specific recipe or formula for fulfilling life, or is it a more personal or an unique journey for each individual? And why do you think so? If you're here in this video with me until this minute, and if you're already not done, please do hit that subscribe button to get notified on my weekly videos. Now, let's create a recipe for a fulfilling life. Let's look into the ingredients. Strong relationship, 2 cups of trust, 1 cup of support, and a pinch of laughter. Physical health, a generous serving of exercise, a handful of nutrition rich foods, and a splash of hydration. Mental well being, a blend of clarity extract, peaceful thoughts, dash of meditation. Purpose, 1 cup of passion, 1 tablespoon of ambition, and a sprinkle of vision. Financial stability, a secure base of budgeting, a dollop of savings, and a drizzle of responsible investments. Now, let's look into the methods of preparation. Prepare a strong relationship, mix trust and support until well combined. Sprinkle laughter on top for a touch of joy. Set aside in a warm environment to foster. To enhance physical health, blend exercise and nutrition rich foods until smooth. Infuse hydration with a refreshing kick. Allow to marinate for optimal wellness. To this, add mental well being. In a quiet space, mix clarity extract with peaceful thoughts. Sprinkle in a dash of meditation for a calming effect. Let the mixture settle for a clear and a serene mind. Infuse with purpose. In a passionate bowl, combine passion and ambition. Stir in vision for direction. Allow the purpose to rise as it bakes in the fire of determination. Balance with financial stability. In a secure financial pan, layer budgeting and savings. Drizzle responsible investments for added stability. Let it simmer until a robust financial foundation is achieved. Serve and enjoy. Garnish your life with sprinkle of gratitude and handful of resilience and a dash of compassion. Allow the personal growth to rise naturally. Take moments for leisure, stirring in relaxation and regeneration. Embrace the delightful touches to make your life richer and more fulfilling. Remember, life is an ongoing recipe, so feel free to adjust the ingredients based on your taste and preference. Enjoy the journey. And there you have it all, the recipe for fulfilling life. If you like this information, don't forget to hit that like button and share this content with your friends and families and the people who you care and love in your life. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy and happy. Signing off, Devi Sundar.